Hi, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to wish you a warm welcome to the Funny Finance Guy. In today's episode, it's going to be just a quick and simple episode on how to sell shares. So to do this, let's go to our Rakuten platform, and at our dashboard, we will see how much of cash we have versus how much of shares we have. And to be able to hive off or sell our shares, we have to look at our portfolio, where this will consist of all the shares that we have bought so far. So over here, we can see that I have bought two shares. The first is Perak Transit, which I've done in my previous episode, whereby I bought it for 18 cents. And today, the market price is 28.5 cents. Since I bought 100 units or 100 shares, which is one lot, we will see that the market price is equals to the current price times 100 units. We will get 28 ringgit and 49 cents. So to do a quick and rough calculation, the selling price would be 28.5, acquisition price would be 18 cents. That will equal to about 55%. Just a rough estimation. And in terms of dollar profit, we will make $10.49. It sounds high in percentage, but since we only bought one lot, it's not much in ringgit amount. So over here, let's click the sell button and let's sell it for 29 cents. After we have keyed in everything and we keyed in our trading pin, let's confirm this particular order. Or we have to sell one, and let's confirm the order we want to sell, right? Yeah. Okay, so once it's successful, you will see a green tick mark and it says that the order has been successful, and you will receive some details. So, okay, so that's how we sell a share in a nutshell. I hope you guys found this very useful. And with that, I hope to see you in the next episode.